Tell us a little bit about what we're talking about this week with our potential for severe weather that's starting right now in New Mexico.
Sure. And it's really been a long time since I've been on the network here because it's been a very quiet, almost like a severe drought over the past couple of months. But what we're seeing right now is storms already firing across New Mexico, western Texas. Those places have already seen 1.5 inches, maybe even greater hail, as well as winds to 55 to 60 miles per hour. And this will only span farther north into stretches of even as far north as Nebraska today. Most of this is going to be kind of discrete supercells, meaning that there is not just a line. But by the time we reach this evening, a lot of this will kind of transition from a hail threat to really more of a wind threat tonight.
And of course, we've been talking about some of these storms already firing up. You can see them there on radar. We often think of thunderstorms and severe weather in the plains as a spring type pattern. May, April, that's when we talk about tornadoes. We know that threat for tornadoes exists tomorrow, according to the AccuWeather forecast. So what does make the stormy pattern in fall occur, Rhea?
Yes, there is 2 seasons for severe weather. First, of course, is the well-known spring season, and then we have our lesser-known fall season. And the reason why those two are kind of correlated, it's because of the upper-level pattern is a little bit more vigorous and chaotic, allowing these troughs to get a lot farther south to tap into the Gulf moisture, anything warmer, to really create these storms to happen. So during the summer, you really don't see that vigorous pattern. If anything, you're just seeing a heat dome, if anything. So now that we kind of have a break in the pattern, we're starting to see these really stronger troughs move through with the fetch of Gulf moisture. And this aids into a fall-like season for severe weather.
All right, we'll look forward to more of this stormy pattern unfolding for better or worse. We do need the rain in the plains, but it comes at a price. Thanks, Rhea, for your insight and, of course, expertise. We do have a lot more to break down for you, too, as we talk about some of the central U.S. First up, we do have some of those thunderstorms out there. So we can already see showers, thunderstorms getting going here across some of the interior through parts of the south central plains. Really, as you push towards New Mexico, that's where we have a lot of this activity, and I'm going to highlight it here for you. You can see some of these thunderstorms. I've been clicking on them, especially the ones coming in just here through southeastern New Mexico. Those have been the storms that have been producing a lot of large hail, and we have some potential for flash flooding. So that's what we've been keeping a close eye on. Tomorrow, we get into another risk for severe weather. So it goes beyond New Mexico. It actually pushes its way into Texas. Places like Abilene could see some strong to severe thunderstorms as you get farther west then into Texas Panhandle, right north to South Dakota and Minnesota. That's where we have that risk for severe weather, and that includes large hail plus isolated tornadoes as we head into tomorrow.